Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Ifmagic GLP-1 Pro Weight Loss Oral Solution. So as you can see, you have it here on Amazon, and if you don't know what this is, it is basically, you just take it and basically what they claim is that it burns fat. Now, from that statement alone, that is very too good to be true, since even if you take this religiously and consistently, this will never help you lose weight if you don't go with a proper diet and proper exercise. So please guys, don't take this as a miracle product that will help you lose weight overnight. And basically, as you can see, they don't even have any reviews here on Amazon, and they don't have a lot of information online. So I would advise you to just stick with a diet and exercise, since that would be more effective than buying a shitty product like this, which is not very safe, I would assume, since it doesn't have any information, and it's a product that you take in your body, which could be very dangerous and even fatal. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.